Hello everyone. Welcome back to the Hermes Menssenger channel, where we share practical tips to make your life easier. Today, we're bringing you a highly requested topic: how to fold clothes efficiently and neatly. We understand that folding clothes can seem boring and time-consuming, but with the right techniques, you can turn this task into something simple and even relaxing. After all, who doesn't love opening their wardrobe and seeing all their clothes neatly folded and ready to wear? Remember, practicing these folding techniques will help you save space, keep your clothes in better condition, and make it easier to choose what to wear. I hope these tips have been helpful. If you enjoyed the video and want to see more content like this, don't forget to subscribe to the Hermes Menssenger channel and turn on notifications to stay updated with our latest videos. Leave your comments below, sharing your folding techniques or any other questions you may have. We're here to help. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.